Hello, hello, hello from a very sunny January morning in London. It's actually kind of warm despite my puffer jacket for January, 10 degrees. So we'll definitely take that today. And while I'm excited that I've got good weather for today, is because I've got Cars on the Green number 2. So my second car event happening here in Parsons Green next to Ilbrook Common. Now, the first one was a success, and I've been told there's a lot more cars turning up today, so I'm going to try and manage the parking situation well. But come and join me and see what turns up. So the event has now come to an end. What an incredible turnout it really was. I did not expect that many cars and that many people to arrive today. So thanks so much for everyone who came. As you can see, there's a few last bits remaining, including the black Testarossa, which I absolutely love. And this, which is a Vantage from Ontario in Canada. No idea the story behind this car. Don't know where the owner's gone, but anyway, thanks for coming and stay tuned for more content to come. Bye.